Welcome to Southwest Handyman Services, your trusted local partner for all your home repair needs. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, we pride ourselves on delivering top-notch service to our valued customers. At Southwest Handyman Services, we boast a team of skilled professionals who are experts in a wide range of services including plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, and much more. Whether it's a quick fix or a major renovation, our team has the knowledge and expertise to get the job done right. What sets Southwest Handyman Services apart is our dedication to customer satisfaction. We prioritize clear communication, transparent pricing, and a strong focus on quality craftsmanship. From the moment you contact us to the completion of your project, you can trust us to provide a seamless and stress-free experience. Don't let home repairs overwhelm you. Trust Southwest Handyman Services to take care of all your maintenance needs with professionalism and care. Contact us today to schedule your appointment and experience the difference our expertise can make in your home. Visit https://southwesthandyman.com.